Hi, I'm Julie from Handcrafters House here in Perth, Western Australia. Now I'm here to talk about your bobbin winder for your new Moxie. Congratulations on getting a Moxie, fantastic. You've probably got it all set up and ready to go, and now you've come to the bobbin winder and you perhaps are a little mystified. So let me just show you what ours looks like. So down to here. So once you've taken it out the box, you will need to set it up so that your mast is here and the hook comes over the thread spool here. So not much else, we've got it plugged in. So I'm going to show you how to thread it up. We're going to run our thread across the mast, and then the tricky part here is I'm going to go into that hook there, and then I'm going to floss that thread into those tension discs there. So can you see that that comes into that hook, down and around and out here. Now this is a tension adjustment here. Basically you can see I've got that fairly well wound in. You need to have a good solid tension on there. It's really hard to say what that will feel like over a video, but you need to have reasonable tension. Don't be scared to wind that in a turn or more if you need to, or back out again. So here, I'm going to place my bobbin onto the winder here, and I'm going to go under and around a few times just to secure the end. There we go. And I'm going to turn it on. Oh, beg your pardon, turn it on. Here we go. Now, if we've got it set up right, that should wind and it should stop when it's full. And I'll talk about how to adjust how full you can make it. So that's looking pretty good. So let me just take that off. I'm just going to break that thread. So hopefully you can see there that it's not quite full to the brim. So you've got 1 millimetre or 2 spare there. It's not half full either. And when I press on that thread that's been wound, it should be not like a brick. It should have a very small amount of give. It should definitely not be squashy, okay? Because if you have a bad bobbin, you will have trouble with your stitching. So to adjust that, how soft and tight that is, you need to adjust your tension here. You may take 2 or 3 goes to get it just right. If your bobbin is only winding half full, then what you will need to do, or not full enough, is you'll need to get a Phillips head screwdriver and loosen these 2 screws here. If you move this black piece down, it will fill your bobbin more. If you move it up, it will fill it less. So you might again need to adjust that a little bit in order to get that fill just correct. That's really all there is to say, and happy stitching on your Moxie. Bye.